Hey, what is up, traders? Welcome back to weekly forex analysis. In this video, we're going to be analyzing euro against US dollar, followed by US dollar against Japanese yen. This is for the following week, 3rd to 7th of August. Okay, let's jump into the charts and start with the euro USD. Okay, guys, we're starting with the euro against USD from the monthly time frame first, and we're going to drill down to the weekly and daily time frames. So the monthly time frame first, and as we can see, this monthly trend line has been broken. It's been going up for a very long time. As we can see, there's multiple tests like here almost got there. It's a lot of tests, and we have broken in this, I think it was this week or the last week we have broken. So this is a monthly time frame, this is a monthly candle, and we have finally breached this trend line, and it's closed well nicely above this this trend line, so quite away from this trend line, which is a good sign. That means that the price will most likely will continue towards upside, and that's what I'm looking at. What I'm hoping that if the price have a little retracement, I will be getting on, and it's gonna be one of these big swing trades. I will be holding us for at least very minimum up to this high, and depending how it's gonna go, potential to even higher. So it depends on that one, but the first initial target is gonna be up to these highs, which is a good few hundred pips on that. That's good. As we can see, I already put these two horizontal lines in here, and I will explain in a minute why. So I'm hoping for this one to retrace, because as we go to the weekly time frame, for this week the price closed this. It left this nice or not nice, this wick in here. We have half full candle and half a wick, which means that the price has most likely means that the price will have a retracement. So that's what I'm looking for. So this is two horizontal lines in here as a potential two support levels. The first one is on the weekly time frames. Around this level we have these nice lows, as well as these highs in here as well, which means that the price can have find a support in here, and maybe will continue to upside. And I also have this second horizontal line, which is the further down in here. If you go to the monthly time frame, it is a monthly low, so it's a monthly support level. We can see it in here. It's close to this level, as well as these lows, and also these highs and these lows in here. So it's a good, very decent support level, and it's also pretty close to this this trend line. So when the price breaks the trend line or the resistance level, the price does like to come back and test that level again. I've seen this type of behavior many times before, and yeah, the price generally does it. Not always, of course, but the price does like to do that. Is basically our job is to figure out where is the right time to get on to the trade, because obviously this is a monthly time frame, and yeah, this covers like a loads of pips, so we can't have this stop loss as wide as a few hundred pips, because it doesn't make sense in terms of the risk reward. So the way to figure out that, I use the daily time frames in this case, and sometimes on the 4-hour time frames. In this case we more like the daily time frame, because we're looking for the monthly time frames, and the target is quite far away. So I'm going to use the daily time frame in terms of the entry, and as we can see, this is the first horizontal line, which is the first support. Also comes in as same as the daily low, but mainly is a weekly, because we have a nice weekly support levels, and the second one is a monthly support level. So more I'm looking at in terms of this second support level, because this is more stronger than the first one, but that depends how the price is gonna come down on the daily time frame. If you want to know exactly where I take the entries, stop losses, and all that, join my Discord channel. It's completely free, and I will be announcing when I take my trade. So as of the targets, I will be looking for at the very minimum these highs, and depending how it's going to come up, if it's going to show so much strength, and it's going to be enough evidence to show that the price will break this resistance level and continue higher, then we're gonna hold that trade for. Okay guys, we continue with the US dollar Japanese yen, and we're gonna start with a monthly time frame. and then drill down to the weekly and daily time frames. Just before I do that, make sure to smash the like on this video, show some support. I really appreciate your support. As well as if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I upload new videos every single week. Okay, let's jump in and start analyzing. So the monthly time frame, US dollar, Japanese yen. So the first thing first, I want to point out that the price for this month, the price came down to make this a low, and if you can see closely, it's lower. So the price has taken out these three lows, and I've seen this behavior before, and this is sort of like the pattern. When you do the trading for a number of years, you already see this these similar behaviors that they happened before, and I've seen certainly this behavior before. The price has taken out these lows, and it has this reaction already towards upside. We have this significant low down here, which is where this coronavirus started to spiral. So we've seen these crazy moves on that. And the virus first start to get all the attention, and we have made this low. So the price now came down, took out this low, and it has the reaction towards upside. Generally, the price will want to come down and take out this low at some point. Of course, we do not know when this is going to happen, but it will happen at some point. But the price will mess around before it does it. It can take a long time, in a matter of, I'm talking about in a matter of months. This is a monthly time frame, and it can take quite a long time. So we need to just figure out, okay, when is the right time to get in, and if the price will want to come down and decide to take out this low. Okay, let's go to the weekly time frame, see what we have on that. We can see the price came down. Also, this is the lows on a weekly time frame down here. So this is where the coronavirus, this spike low, price came down, tested this, also took out that the 3 monthly lows which I showed earlier, and we have seen this aggressive reaction straight towards upside. Very strong reaction on this one, and if we go to the daily time frame, we can see it in here. Yeah, this is a very aggressive reaction. It did it in pretty much on Friday, so this is all these moves on Friday, which is quite aggressive. So we're gonna see, but overall, if we zoom out, if the price, the trend is down. So that's what I'm gonna be focusing on. It just where we're gonna get on. So far this on Friday we had this crazy reaction, so I'm gonna be waiting and looking for the opportunities to get onto the short side. That doesn't mean that we're not gonna have any opportunities for the upsides in terms of the day trades, but we're gonna concentrate in here on a swing trade basis. Before you click away, make sure to smash the like on this video and show some support, as well as if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe. I upload new videos every single week. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video.